Look at this tree.
Look at this tree.
These
Neighbor.
trees.
Oh my God.
Well, they were
Can't.
sick, those trees.
Here's our neighbor's house. There's just debris everywhere.
Oh my God. Fences are ripped out.
Holy
Look at all these
shit.
trees gone.
Garage doors are
Rip the
gone.
garage doors out.
Holy shit.
Don't cut with the profanity. If you're going to
Sorry.
show this to anybody.
What'd I say? Holy shit.
Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God.
I don't know if we can get down there.
Well, we're going to try.
Oh my goodness.
A fishing pole?
Oh dear, you're not getting in there.
I see, babe.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Look at the water gurgling up from the road there.
Dear Lord. I think this is as far as you're going to
Yep.
get.